Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, July 31st, and this is my analysis for the pound yen, and we are on the 4-hour time frame to start with. So the pound yen has been extremely overlapping, very overlapping. That usually tells us that we are in some sort of a correction. So we got our Fibonacci retracement. If we get a fib bounce, which we did have, and we get a break of structure, which we don't have, then that potentially would be telling me that it's going to keep going up. Since it did make a fib bounce, but since it has not broken structure, we do have to keep an eye on it. I mean, it could turn bearish. Technically, the daily and the 4-hour are drifting down in a corrective looking pattern. So I would be suggesting shorts on like the 1-hour time frame and below right now, unless we get a Fibonacci bounce, which we do have, and a break of structure, which we don't have. If it breaks and holds above this structure with momentum, that would definitely turn me into a buyer. If it doesn't break and hold above here, then we should actually be looking for shorts every single chance we get, because the daily and the 4-hour are definitely in a corrective pattern to the downside. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.